Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. Now I want to say about small actions create big change. Big change starts small, very small. People search for shortcuts. They want fast results. Real change is slow. It grows step by step. Small actions repeat easily. Easy actions last longer. Long effort builds strength. Strength creates change. If you are young, begin today. One habit is enough. Do it daily. Do not rush. 5 minutes today beats zero tomorrow. Start small. Stay consistent. Small actions create big change. Thank you so much for giving your most valuable time. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.